In the ever-changing world of banking, accurate financial modeling and valuation are essential for making informed decisions and staying ahead of the competition. However, without proper training, banking professionals may struggle to develop reliable models, leading to flawed assumptions, inaccurate valuations, and ultimately, missed opportunities or costly mistakes. Without the knowledge and skills gained from this certification, individuals may find themselves ill-equipped to navigate the complexities of financial modeling and valuation, hindering their ability to provide accurate analysis and insightful recommendations. This comprehensive certification program is designed to equip banking professionals with the advanced knowledge and practical skills needed to develop and evaluate financial models, conduct valuations, and make data-driven decisions. From mastering financial modeling techniques and valuation methodologies to leveraging cutting-edge technologies and tools, participants will gain a comprehensive understanding of what it takes to excel in this critical area of banking. For financial institutions, investing in this certification can lead to improved decision-making, more accurate valuations, and a competitive edge in the market. By cultivating a team of certified experts in bank modeling and valuation, organizations can ensure that their financial analyses are based on reliable data and sound methodologies, enabling them to make informed, strategic choices and mitigate risks effectively. Individuals who complete this certification will emerge as trusted experts in bank modeling and valuation, capable of driving organizational success through their in-depth knowledge, analytical skills, and commitment to accuracy. They'll gain the expertise to develop robust financial models, conduct comprehensive valuations, and provide insightful analysis and recommendations, making them invaluable assets in the ever-evolving world of banking. Don't let inaccurate financial modeling and valuation hold your organization back. Elevate your expertise and unlock new opportunities by enrolling in the Bank Modeling and Valuation Certification Program today. Spaces are limited, so act now to secure your spot and join the ranks of certified experts shaping the future of banking analytics.